if they could see it.
One eternity later.
Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome to another vlog. So as you can see in the first video, I took my front bumper to my uncle and he painted it. He told me today that it was done already, so I'm gonna go to the shop today, pick up the front bumper, and everything's gonna be good. But I'm not gonna install it tonight. I'm gonna hang out with some friends tonight and be in Fresno. So I'm gonna install it tomorrow morning, and then I'll record some of it for you guys so you guys can see how it comes out. Alright guys, so on each side there's like a 10 mil, and then I take off all the clips in the front, and then now I got to get all the, I believe the 10 mils at the bottom, there should be like 8 of them, so I'm going to take off those and we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so it just started raining, or sprinkling. Fuck it. Oh guys, you guys ready? Damn. So we have the old one right here that we just took off, and then we got the new one. You could tell like right here down the middle the color difference. There's a little more white in this one, but damn guys. Looks great. Alright, so I'm gonna get started on installing the new one, and then we'll see how it comes out.